Madam John Sailo, present puppets for the injuries. Kynmaw first position.
Actually is a guiding force for us now. Because what we saw with Bethany place is that, in fact, it's a very important place. Because this happened, in fact, you might be aware of the Jylla case, what happened last time.
The reopening of this hospital, what is your message to the general public, especially to the patients who are regularly in this hospital?
Yeah, I think the first thing I would like to say is that I would like to thank the entire Bethany family for really being together, standing together through this very, very tough time. They have been very cooperative, they have been very disciplined, and they have faced a lot of challenges, and after all of this, and of course a big loss also. In spite of that, they have come out of these challenges. And I think most important thing we should remember from all of this is that we don't need to fear. We are all, a lot of people think that this is something like a stigma that is there in our minds. I would like to tell the people, I would like to tell the patients, the people who are regular to Bethany, that there's nothing to fear. And now I think we should move on. Life has to go on. And I think Bethany is starting today. So I wish them the very best. And I'm sure that after all these challenges and after all these difficult times, the Bethany family, in terms of all the doctors, the nurses, the ward, the attendants, I think all have come out stronger. And I wish them the very best.